Yes, Doc. I'm also
To
thankful,
initiate this
Doc.
discussion and all these things.
Yes, Doc. I'm very thankful, Doc, because you give me your precious time, Doc, in this particular interview that helped me a lot, Doc, in my study, Doc, as a first year PhD students, Doc. Can
Great,
I
great.
ask a favor, Doc? Can you please open your camera, Doc, so that I can see you too, Doc?
I actually no, actually I don't have camera installed in my PC. That's why I cannot open it.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Doc. So,
So
before
can you
I'm
please tell me something about yourself? What is the topic of your research? In which university you are? What is your background?
Yes, Doc. Yes, Doc. So before I'm going to start, Doc, I will introduce first myself, Doc. So I am Merlani C. Ubungin, Doc. First year PhD student at Mindanao State University, Philippines. Uh, of course, Doc, I am glad and I am very thankful to God that you spend your precious time with me this afternoon, and I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So uh, I am very happy,
Are
Doc,
you
that
teaching somewhere? Sorry to cut you. Are you teaching somewhere?
yes, Doc, I am a junior high school teacher, Doc. I am teaching junior high school, Doc.
Okay, okay, great, great.
Yes, Doc.
So do
So
you have questions?
uh, before I proceed with my question, Doc, is can you please also tell me about yourself, Doc, so that I am able to know you more? And of course, I am very proud of you, Doc.
Gigi, thank you very much.
Yes,
Actually, I
Doc.
have to go for a meeting at 11 o'clock. So, it would be great if you can start your questions.
Okay, okay, Doc. Thank you so much, Doc. So, my first question, Doc, that I'm going to ask is, you did a study, Doc, about your dissertation. So, what kind of study, Doc, and what triggered you most to conduct your research, Doc?
Sorry,
Doc,
can
my
you
question.
repeat? Can you repeat your
Yes.
question?
Okay, Doc, my question is you did, of course, a study, and my question is what triggered you most to conduct your research?
What?
Can you hear me?
Sorry.
Can you hear me, Doc?
No, there is a problem with there is a distortion. Can you repeat your question?
My question, Doc, is what triggered you most to conduct your research, Doc?
Okay, so is it about the findings?
Yes,
The
Doc.
question. So my finding is, we have different in this study we had two variables. The one is the moderating variable, that is gender, and the other one is dependent variable. So my findings were the leadership play a very important role in enhancing teachers' performance, but the gender is also play is important role. So you know the finding of the gender difference is the teachers working under the same head teachers show that the male teacher was showing better leadership style as compared to female head teacher. So I don't know what is the reason about it. So the other researcher can find you know the causes of this, because uh, there should be no influence of gender on leadership style. But in my study, I found gender play a very important role. Males are performing more better than the females. And
Mm.
one more my research question was about, The secondary school heads leadership style on teachers' job performance. So yes, there is a significant relationship between leadership style and teachers' performance. So there is a positive effect of leadership style on teachers' job performance. And the first
Yes,
one is there any relationship? So yes, there is a relationship.
yes,
So
doc.
these are my three research findings.
Okay, okay, doc. Yes, doc. So, thank you so much, doc. So, it means, doc, that leadership always affect the performance of teachers. Yes, doc.
Yes,
So, yes. And of course, we will consider also the gender. Okay.
yes.
Yes, Doc. Thank you so much, Doc. And my next question, Doc, is which part of your professional experiences and your professional readings triggered you to do a study like this, Doc?
Actually, as you know, I am a PhD faculty in the Department of Education,
Yes,
Zabist, Karachi, Pakistan. My
yes, Doc.
university is Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto University of Institute of Technology, Science and Technology. So
Yes,
I am working there as head of the institution. And this is the study which you were discussing. That was not actually, I was not the principal author. This study was supervised by me. This
uh,
study was conducted my student in his MPhil course,
okay,
degree
Doc.
course, and I supervised the study. So yes, my
Yes.
input was there, but originally the study was conducted by my student,
Okay,
Mr.
okay.
Oshak
Thank you,
Ahmad.
Doc. So it means, Doc, you are the supervisor, or shall we say, you are the thesis advisor of your
Co Yes,
students.
thesis
Yes.
advisor, and I was the co-author.
Yes, yes, Doc. Thank you so much, Doc. You are the co-author and a thesis advisor of this study. Yes, Doc. Thank you so much, Doc. And I am very grateful that you also are helping those students like me, Doc. And next, Doc,
Yes.
is what do you think was the best methods, Doc, or shall we say the best research methods that you would use or your students use for that particular study, Doc?
देखिए, both the methods are the qualitative and quantitative. Both methods are good. Both methods has advantages and disadvantages. But I would suggest if there is a blend of the methods, like if you would use mixed method approach,
Yes, Doc.
to include the respondent's voice as well
Uh,
through qualitative interviews. So this would be great.
yes, Doc. Yes,
Along
well,
with the using scales, you
yes.
may use interviews as well.
Yes, Doc. Like focus group discussion, Doc. Yes,
Focus
like
group discussion, individual semi-structured interviews,
yes,
both
Doc.
can be done.
Okay, Doc. So it is very important also, Doc, no, that we are going to use the mixed methods, like what you said, the quali and the quanti. Thank you so much, Doc. Then next, Doc, is what was the most difficult part of the study, Doc, before your student finished that kind of study, Doc?
Sorry.
What was the most difficult part of that study, Doc, before your students finish that kind of study, Doc?
Um, Data analysis is something which is tricky if you don't know or if you are not competent enough in quantitative data analysis or qualitative data analysis. So, data analysis can be difficult. Before this, you know, at the time of designing methodology,
Yes, Doc.
this can also be a kind of challenging step of or phase of research, because you have to identify respondent, then you have to if you are conducting a quantitative research, then you have to identify through random sampling you have to identify your respondent, get access,
Yes.
get their consent, collect the data. So all these steps are challenging but as well as exciting.
Okay, Doc. So It means, Doc, that of course in every research it is very challenging, but of course we are very happy in any research that we are going to do, because we come up with a result that we are going to use for the future. Then next, Doc, is what were some memorable experiences, Doc, or shall we say the pleasant and the unpleasant one before, during, and after your student finished this study, Doc? Memorable experiences, Doc. Which pleasant and the unpleasant, Doc? Before,
During this study.
yes, Doc.
Okay. Actually, when we were planning to, design the methodology, and at the time of designing methodology, I was much into qualitative method. My suggestion was, uh, to collect qualitative data, but my student was more interested in quantitative data. Then I left on him. I left decision on him, and I asked him, do whatever you want to do, and he did very well. There was nothing unplanned, but sometime when he was collecting data in the field, so the respondent were not very open.
Okay,
They were
okay,
not
Doc.
willing to share the, or they were not willing to fill out the questionnaire. So
Okay,
to convince them, it was a difficult task.
yes, Doc. Thank you so much, Doc. And next, Doc, is who among the panel, aside from you, Doc, helped most to finish the study, Doc?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Okay, and my question, Doc, is who among the panel, Doc, aside from you as the co-author or the advisor of the thesis of your students, helped most to finish that kind of study, Doc?
Actually, there was I was the guide, or I was the supervisor, but one of my students, she supported my supervisee in data analysis and data collection, or so she was also included as co-author.
Okay, okay, Doc. So, thank you so much, Doc. So, my last question, Doc, is what was the benefits Pakistan in your study, or is the study of your student in your country, and of course in the school, and to all people, Doc? What is the benefits of that kind of study, Doc?
Actually, the benefits or significance of this study is, here we conducted this study in a small district of Sindh, district Ladkana. And district Ladkana is not developed, and leadership practices in district Ladkana as compared to the urban cities are not as contemporary or modern or updated as in the city. So this study was unique in this nature. Okay, we conducted a study in a small town, and we try to find out what is happening there, what are the practices of leaders, educational leaders in district Ladkana. And this study will help out in the future researcher in establishing the relationship of variables.
Okay, okay, Doc. So thank you so much, Doc. So you are very great advisor, Doc. So I am very thankful, Doc, that you also helped me, Doc, in my PhD journey, Doc. Then uh, lastly, Doc, is
Merlin,
can
yes, please, please ask a question. Then I will. I also have one proposal for you.
okay, okay, Doc. So My question, Doc, last question, Doc, is can you give the total or the techniques or tips? Because I know that you are very knowledgeable enough, Doc, about research. So, can you give me your techniques, Doc, or tips on how a study will go through?
I have only one tip for all my research students, and obviously for you as well.
Yes,
The
Doc.
hard work and commitment.
Yes, Doc.
If you are committed with your research, and if you are focused with your research objectives, so you can achieve what you want to achieve. you know Research design is something which is evolving in nature. So sometime in the mid of the study you have to modify your research design, but your objectives must be the same, and
Uh,
objectives must be carefully designed.
okay, okay, Doc.
Objectives must be carefully designed. So methodology is only to achieve the objective. Methodology is not something which is stagnant or something which is rigid in nature. Methodology can be evolving in nature, but objectives must be carefully designed, and you must stick with your objectives. So then you can achieve your or then you can find out the answers of your research questions, and achieve your research objectives. Because
Okay,
PhD is not an easy task, and PhD is not for each and everyone. This is my perception. PhD is only for those who are blessed by the God, or
yes,
from the
Doc.
God.
Okay,
So
thank you
if
so much.
God has given you this opportunity, so you should respect and honor, and you should be thankful to God, and you have to perform your job with commitments and sincerity. Because
Yes, Doc.
there are a million and billion of students who cannot achieve or who cannot reach at this destination. There are very very few who reach at
Yes,
this place. So
yes,
we
Doc.
should be very committed.
Yes, Doc. Thank you so much, Doc. Of course, Doc, as what you say, Doc, that we are very lucky that among those people that cannot reach this kind of higher education in PhD. So that's why I am very thankful, Doc, that I am one of the chosen one that I have my study or I have my PhD first year student, Doc. So I am a first year student, Doc. This is my first subject, Doc, the advanced research, Doc. So as a part of our requirements, Doc, that we are going to have an interview for those people like you, Doc, which is expert in research. So that is why we are very lucky, Doc, and we are very happy and we really appreciate your your expertise that you can share to us, Doc. So I have a lot of email, Doc, of course, and every day I send 10 emails to different authors. But uh, I am very happy, Doc, that you are the first one who responds my email, Doc. That's why
Great,
I'm
great.
very thankful to God, Doc, for that kind of a person like you, which is very brilliant in sharing your expertise, sharing what you have, Doc, in students like me, Doc, in the Philippines.
Sorry, I if pardon me if I wrong pronounce your name. Merlin,
Merlani po. Yes
Merlani Bom.
po. Yes.
Acha Merlani, I have one proposal for you. As
Yes
you
po.
are the first year student, so this would be great for you as well. If we will conduct a collaborative research on the same topic, instructional leadership style, and you will collect the data from Philippines and I will collect the data from Pakistan, and both of us will write a research article.
Yes, Doc.
Is
Hello,
it
Doc.
possible?
Yes, Doc.
Is it possible?
Yes, Doc. I am very willing, Doc, that you share also your study. Then you are the co-author of my study, Doc, if ever, Doc. So can I have a message on you anytime, Doc, so that we will exchange idea, Doc, or thoughts, or you can guide me, or of course, as you say that I'm going to have to collect data from the Philippines, and you collect also data from Pakistan. It is very great,
Yes,
Doc.
yes, yes. So, and we will. What do you want me? My cell number? What do you
Ye-
want me?
yes, Doc. I cannot hear you,
What do
Doc.
you want me to share? मैं क्या what should I share with you?
If it is okay for you, Doc, so if you are willing, Doc, it may be uh, I want you to be my thesis or dissertation advisor if ever, Doc.
Uh, I would be, honored if I can do this with you. I have no idea. I do this or not? So first, ask your university if your university will allow to, take international supervisor.
Um,
So I will definitely help you out.
yes, Doc. So I'm going to ask our university, Doc, if they can allow like you as an expert in research. Maybe I think, Doc, they can allow us, Doc.
Okay, so there must be इसको dry करके लाएं. There must be a formal communication or there must be a formal request. So I will definitely help you out.
Yes, Doc. So uh, I will do my request, formal request from our university, Doctor. Request you as my advisor, Doc.
Okay, and I shared my WhatsApp number also with you. So
Okay,
you
okay,
may send me WhatsApp.
okay, Doc. So keeping in touch one another, Doc, so that we will
Inshallah.
more plan more. Yes, inshallah, Doc.
Inshallah. Inshallah is, it's an Arabic word. It means if God will.
Yes, Doc. I am also, but I do not have more knowledge about Arabic, Doc. But in our country, Doc, we are belong in Mindanao, Doc. So mostly of our neighbor, Doc, is Muslims. That's why I know also how to speak
वालेकुम
Muslim.
अस्सलाम लुबना कॉल मी जस्ट आफ्टर 5 मिनट आई एम इन अ मीटिंग ऑनलाइन एक मीटिंग है मैं आपसे अभी बात करूँ ठीक
Yes, Doc. That's why I know what is inshallah also, Doc.
Okay, okay, great, great.
Yes, Doc.
So, uh, thank you very much, Marlene, for this conversation. And inshallah, we will be in touch. I have shared my WhatsApp number also with you. So, you may send me messages. We will keep in touch. And I would be really very happy to help you out or to facilitate you in your research supervision. And as well as we can have collaborative research publication as well.
Yes, Doc. So I am too thankful, Doc, and I feel great, Doc, that you are my, shall we say, prospect advisor, Doc, in my dissertation. Maybe how many years from now, Doc? Because I am all first year PhD students, Doc. So keeping in touch is more important. So thank you so much, sir, for your time, for giving your brilliant time to me, Doc, that you give your expertise to me, Doc. God bless,
Okay, ji.
Doc.
God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nice talking to you.
Yes, thank you, Doc, and nice talking to Doc. And keep safe, Doc.